Hey there, Social Security recipients. Are you wondering when your February 2025 payments will arrive? Well, you're in the right place because today we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the upcoming Social Security payment schedule, plus some crucial updates that might affect your benefits. Before we get started, if you want to stay informed about Social Security news and payment schedules, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's kick things off with some exciting news for Social Security beneficiaries. The Social Security Administration has implemented several changes for 2025 that could impact your monthly payments. But first, let's address the burning question on everyone's mind: when exactly will you receive your February 2025 payment? The good news is that the Social Security Administration maintains its traditional payment schedule, which means your payment date depends on your birth date and the type of benefits you receive. For those receiving Social Security retirement benefits, the payment schedule follows a familiar pattern. If your birth date falls between the 1st and 10th of the month, you'll receive your payment on the second Wednesday of February 2025, which is February 12th. For those born between the 11th and 20th, your payment will arrive on the third Wednesday, February 19th. And if your birthday falls between the 21st and 31st, expect your payment on the fourth Wednesday, February 26th. But what about those who receive SSI benefits? Don't worry, we'll cover that too. Supplemental Security Income, SSI, recipients typically receive their payments on the first of each month. However, when the first falls on a weekend or federal holiday, payments are usually distributed on the preceding business day. For February 2025, SSI beneficiaries will receive their payments on February 1st, which falls on a Saturday, meaning the payment will actually be distributed on Friday, January 31st, 2025. Isn't it helpful to know exactly when to expect your payment? Now, you might be wondering about the payment amounts for 2025. The Social Security Administration has implemented a cost of living adjustment, COLA, that affects all beneficiaries. Have you noticed the changes in your monthly benefits? This adjustment was designed to help recipients maintain their purchasing power in the face of inflation. But what exactly does this mean for your February payment? The 2025 COLA has resulted in a significant increase in benefits compared to previous years. Recipients are seeing larger monthly payments, which is especially important given the rising costs of everyday expenses. But here's something you might not know: the increase isn't just about the monthly payment amount. It also affects other aspects of Social Security benefits, including Medicare premiums and income thresholds for benefit taxation. Are you aware of how these changes might impact your overall financial situation? Speaking of Medicare, let's talk about how it intersects with your Social Security benefits. For many beneficiaries, Medicare premiums are automatically deducted from their Social Security payments. The February 2025 payments will reflect any changes in Medicare premiums for the year. But have you checked if your Medicare premiums have changed? It's crucial to review these deductions to ensure they're accurate and to understand your net benefit amount. One question that frequently comes up is about direct deposit versus paper checks. The Social Security Administration strongly encourages all beneficiaries to use direct deposit for their payments. Why? Because it's safer, faster, and more reliable than paper checks. If you haven't switched to direct deposit yet, did you know you can easily make the change through your My Social Security account or by contacting the Social Security Administration directly? Let's discuss some important updates that might affect your February 2025 payment. The Social Security Administration has implemented new security measures to protect beneficiaries from fraud and identity theft. Have you taken steps to secure your account? It's crucial to regularly monitor your payment information and report any suspicious activity immediately. But what exactly should you be looking out for? Another significant change for 2025 involves the earnings limit for those who receive benefits while still working. If you're under full retirement age and continue to work, your benefits might be reduced if your earnings exceed certain thresholds. But do you know what these thresholds are and how they might affect your benefits? Understanding these limits is crucial for planning your work and retirement strategy. For those who receive both Social Security retirement benefits and SSI, it's important to note that payment dates might differ for each benefit. Have you checked both schedules to ensure you know exactly when to expect each payment? This information is particularly important for budgeting and financial planning purposes. The Social Security Administration has also enhanced its online services for 2025. Have you explored all the features available through your My Social Security account? From checking your payment status to updating your personal information, these digital tools make managing your benefits easier than ever. But are you taking full advantage of these services? Let's address a common concern. What happens if your payment doesn't arrive on the scheduled date? While this is rare, it's important to know the steps to take if you experience a delay. The Social Security Administration recommends waiting 3 business days before reporting a missing payment. But do you know the fastest way to report a missing payment and get assistance? Another important aspect to consider is the taxation of Social Security benefits. Depending on your total income, up to 85% of your benefits might be subject to federal income tax. Have you consulted with a tax professional to understand how your benefits will be taxed in 2025? This information is crucial for proper tax planning and avoiding surprises when tax season arrives. For those who receive Social Security disability benefits, the payment schedule follows the same pattern as retirement benefits. However, there are some specific considerations for disability beneficiaries. Are you aware of the continuing disability reviews and how they might affect your benefits? Understanding these requirements is essential for maintaining your eligibility. The Social Security Administration has also implemented new communication methods for 2025. Have you signed up for text or email alerts about your benefits? These notifications can help you stay informed about payment dates, account changes, and important updates. But are you receiving all the communications you need? International beneficiaries might wonder about receiving their payments while living abroad. The Social Security Administration continues to process payments to eligible beneficiaries in most countries. However, there are some restrictions and special considerations. Do you know the rules that apply to your specific situation if you're living outside the United States? Let's talk about representative payees. If you manage benefits for someone else or have someone managing your benefits, it's important to understand the responsibilities and requirements involved. Have you reviewed the latest guidelines for representative payees? The Social Security Administration has specific rules about how benefits should be managed and reported. For those who are new to Social Security benefits or will begin receiving them soon, understanding the payment schedule is just one part of the equation. Have you familiarized yourself with all the resources available to beneficiaries? The Social Security Administration offers various tools and support services to help you manage your benefits effectively. Looking ahead beyond February 2025, it's important to stay informed about potential changes to Social Security benefits. The Social Security Administration regularly updates its policies and procedures to better serve beneficiaries. But do you know where to find the most reliable information about these changes? Remember, while this information about February 2025 Social Security payments is comprehensive, individual situations may vary. Have you considered scheduling an appointment with a Social Security representative to discuss your specific circumstances? They can provide personalized guidance and answer any questions you might have about your benefits. Before we wrap up, let's recap the key payment dates for February 2025 and remind you of the important updates we've discussed. But more importantly, have you taken all the necessary steps to ensure you're maximizing your benefits and protecting your Social Security information? That brings us to the end of today's video about February 2025 Social Security payments. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on Social Security benefits, payment schedules, and important changes that affect your benefits. Also, share this video with friends and family who might find it useful. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and we'll do our best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.